In today's metals markets, let's take a look at silver futures as they're coming off of some heavy selling pressure in the previous session to trade higher today. Silver futures higher by better than 1% currently at the 29.82 level. However, the previous session, heavy selling pressure in the silver markets, and we did see the futures market trading down to the lowest level in 3.5 weeks before recovering some today as the markets digest the non-farm payroll report from last Friday, which really shifted the sentiment in the market. Heavy selling pressure in the treasuries, pushing yields back up towards the higher end of the recent range, and that had a spillover effect into the interest rate sensitivity in the metals markets, particularly when you look at gold and silver, pricing in the possibility of the Fed not moving in September now, and that is, I think, at least short term, having an impact on the metals markets as the shift in interest rates continues to work its way through the markets. So I think that's why, again, a little bit of equilibrium today after some heavy selling pressure in the previous session. But we have several things that are going to influence the treasury markets this week. Big auctions taking place, CPI, PPI coming out, as well as a Fed announcement on Wednesday. So that could continue to see or spill over some volatility into the metals markets as rates react to those various data points and announcement from the Fed. Now, looking at the general trends, we're seeing most of the major metals markets coming off of some heavy selling pressure in the previous session to trade higher today. In the case of some of the markets, we're seeing them coming off better than 1 month lows. But silver, again, holding this 3.5 week low to trade higher today, one of the better, stronger performers in today's market. We're seeing gold up slightly, coming off a little over a month low in the previous session, as well as copper coming off a little over a month low in the previous session to trade higher. So a little bit of reprieve here after heavy selling pressure in the previous session to see futures markets in the metals trading higher pretty much across the board today.